compares to the modern era muscle cars that are out there?
Well, Rush, thank you for letting me be a part of Venomous Garage.
Yep.
This is a very fun experience, and yeah, this is a car I've known for 6 years. It's been a close friend of mine's car. I've always loved it. He bought it with 7,600 miles. Previous owners, the previous owners did most of the work. It's a 2.8 pulley, stock Eaton blower, the AccuFab monoblade throttle body. It's got a Jax Performance. I don't think they're around anymore, but it's their ported elbow.
Okay.
And just a standard, I'm not even sure what brand cold air intake it is, but still got the stock cats running out through a Bassani exhaust, which sounds really good. Suspension-wise, AFS 18s, 18x9s up front.
So it has a Bassani X pipe on it?
Correct.
Okay, cool.
Yep. And it sounds really good. The suspension, it's got the H&S or H&R race springs,
Okay.
which feel great. I love the stance, especially with the 18-inch AFSs.
Still on the stock shocks?
Stock shocks. Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yep. And sway bars. It also does have welded sub-ring connectors,
Very cool.
which makes a big
Oh,
difference.
hell yeah, it does.
And it's got the IRS bushings, 410 gears that have been chained from the stock 355s, which it's a lot of shifting. Definitely, if you're just cruising around, you're going from first, second, third pretty fast. But when your foot's in it,
Yeah.
if you're a short gear kind of guy with the blower, it really just hits hard, especially in the right gear. First is pretty much useless. The car dyno tune is tuned by someone in the East Coast. It's probably been 6 or 7 years since the car's been tuned, but the last on the dynograph it did make 465, so fairly conservative on the air to fuel ratio. Nothing crazy, not trying to squeeze a bunch of power out of it, but safe enough and fun enough to have fun.